Today we got my DeWalt drill here. It's a DWD110. You push the trigger, doesn't work. So I think the switch has gone bad, and I ordered a new switch, so we're gonna put it in. First step is to open it up. I got my T20 screwdriver. Two things that can go wrong with a drill. One is these carbon brushes here, and the other is this variable speed switch right here. So I bought myself a new switch online. Just for the record, it's cheaper to buy a new drill, but why not learn something? Here we go with the disassembly of the old switch. They should just pull right out, but we'll see. And the black on the left bottom, and a neutral return. It's a little easier to take the switch out for this maneuver. Use a flat tip screwdriver. Pop them out. And we're matching orientations. Moment of truth, give it a little test here. Yeah, that's looking good. Forward it and backwards.